Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey there, crypto friends. How we doing this evening? We are live. It is June the 24th, and we're looking at BTC still on the climb. We're up 3.4% for the day. So we are looking at your support level, 34,550.75 as support. 35,307.43 will be your resistance, and we'll move this stop loss up just a little bit. Just under that 12-day moving average, you see the 12 cross over the 26 as the averages are starting to trend upwards. Volume drying up just a little bit, so we'll keep an eye out for that. Let's have a look at Ethereum, ETH USD. Ethereum up 0.5% for the day as we move into the options expiration. So keep a mind on that particular happening. And let's see, let's get over here. And we'll shrink that down so you can see a little better there. There we are. So we have resistance up there at the 2033.88 and support. Got this double bottom to lean back on, and also the 12 and the 26 underneath, 1965.35. For Ethereum, let's have a look at Binance Coin, BNB USD. So BNB USD, we are up 4.43%. And try to grab something besides, there we go. Get all the way up there. Our resistance 316.936 and support now down there at the 301.31 for Binance Coin. Have a look here at ADA, also known as Cardano, having a good run up here, up 7.5%. We're going to watch out for our support and resistance, so let's get those for you. We'll split up that candle on the 1 hour so we can find that support level. There we go. It's a little bit clearer there. So 1.338 is your support, and resistance going to be at the 1.385. Moving the stop off just underneath these crossing moving averages. Let's have a look at PolkaDot, DOT USD. Not much has changed. We do have that 12-day underneath us and a 26-day moving average up above, creating some resistance there at the 16.66 and support down at the 15.903. Let's have a look at Doge. Doge having a really nice run up here. And we'll scoot on over a little bit so we can find that next resistance level to watch out for. That's going to be up there at the 0.2745 resistance, and we do have support down to 0.236 for the Doge. Moving on to Litecoin, LTC USD. Litecoin got up there, we resisted off that 137.61 and above those averages now, so we have support underneath at 132.25. Get that stop loss just underneath that 26-day, I should say 12-day moving average, the red line there. Moving on to Chainlink, LINK up 1.83%. Looks like we got a new resistance level, 19.54, and we will have a look there at the, there we go, support 18.342. Moving on to Stellar, XLM USD up 3.10%. We have resistance up there to 0.272 and support right there at the 0.257. And we are getting the 12 cross over the 26. You've heard a lot about the death cross. When a shorter term moving average crosses the long term moving average, golden cross. So it can actually work both ways. So let's move on to Vechain, VET USD. Managed to get through those moving averages pretty well. So we're looking at 0.0835 for a resistance, and there's your support down there, 0.077. Heading on over to FIL USD. Pretty much sideways action. We do have some consolidation here, which can be healthy for us, so we'll be patient. And we've got 58.185 resistance, 55.869 support, as we're trapped inside those candles there. So let's move on to STORJ USD. Very similar pattern here. Resistance up at this 0.6885 and support just down there, 0.645. Heading on over to IOTA. IOTA up 2.84%. So we'll adjust this resistance level up to 0.852 as we try to break through there and look at support on this 26-day moving average. And that previous low right there. There we go. 0.815. Heading on over to comp land. COMP USD up 5.13%. Running out of juice here, but we have resistance at 260.56 and support there very close by, 253.189. On over to basic attention coin. BAT USD, we have resistance up to 0.5777 and support just above these moving averages there at the 0.5507. Moving on to Ethereum Classic ETC USD. As we can see, we can go all the way up. We have resistance up above there. Lots of wiggle room up here. So we're looking at 47.164 resistance and support 40.870. Heading on over to MANA USDC. Resistance up at the 0.5507 and there's your support. We just came down, bounced off of that 26-day moving average, so we're looking at 0.5108 for MANA, up 4.63%. Heading over to ZIL USD, it's up 6.89%, so slightly stronger than some of these other altcoins. Encountering resistance there at the 0.080, and we have support right on that previous low, the 0.0785. Nudge that stop loss just above there. Moving on to NU USD, which is down 1.38% for the day. So we did meet that resistance, as you can see clearly there on that blue line, 26-day moving average. So 0.239 is the line in the sand, and 0.228 will be your support for NU. NMR down 0.88%. Very similar. We're looking at support at the 28.13 and resistance there at the 29.66. Let's have a look at the graph token, GRT USD. Not much change from before, so we're looking at support to hold there at the 0.597 and resistance up there at the 0.625. So I'm getting a message from Coinbase that are having delayed transactions with ADA, which usually indicates a lot of traffic. So be patient with our Coinbase friends there. Moving on to UNI USD. Pretty much the same range. We'll nudge our resistance up at the 18.587. And there's your support. It's going to remain at the 17.655 for UNI. Now we're looking at AAVE USD. Slight adjustment there. 218.83 is the resistance level, and we are sitting right on that support as we speak at the 210.77. Moving on to MKR USD. MKR Hadn't had its go yet, so we're down about 3.27%. So looking at support 2240.60 and resistance 2308.57. Let's have a look at MATIC, MATIC USD. It's up 1.73%. Got up to the 1.242 as resistance level to look out for, and this support just above that 12-day moving average at the 1.18. Let's move on to SOL USD. So SOL, we have 32.988 as resistance and support level 30.1903. Looking at audio, not much change here, so we'll leave it as we have it. 0.713 support and slightly adjust that. We did find resistance on that 26-day moving average, so on that previous high, 0.747. Moving on to CHZ USD, which is up 4.68%. We have resistance 0.259. And the support to watch out for is going to be 0.242. Heading on to Theta, THETA USD. Lots of these spinning top dojis there, so lots of indecision going on. So we have support sitting at 6.773 and resistance up there at the 7.20. We'll have a look now at ENJB USD. This particular one's on Binance Coin, so we have resistance now 1.082 and holding support there above that 26-day moving average at the 1.039. Harmony 1 ONE USD, resistance 0.0621 and support level sitting right on that line as we speak, 0.0601. Let's wind up here with PAXG USD. Token is pegged to gold. So we're down about 0.38%. So looking at support to hold at the 1771.22. And going to start to encounter some resistance at the 1779.57. Have a look at Bitcoin dominance as calculated here by TradingView. As BTC.D is the ticker. As you can see, we're up about 0.25% for the day, so we're up to 47.33% of the crypto market cap is BTC. Looking at Ethereum, ETH.D is 16.78%, so down about 2%. And Doge looking strong here, 2.49%, so it's up 9.05 of the crypto market cap is gone into Doge. So that leaves us with a total crypto market cap $1,373 billion. So we are up about 2.75% of the market cap. Well, folks, that does it for me. If you're out there on YouTube, thank you for coming by. Like and subscribe, share with your friends. Do great things, and we'll see you in the morning at the Crypto Morning Show. Have a great one.